moving fast on a rough road, riding high through the mountains, climbing, twisting, turning further from my home. Eons